Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at this new piece of kit that was sent out to me to review. This is the 210S portable soldering iron. We're going to take this back here to my desk. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box and take a look at some of its very unique features. You ready? Let's go. All right guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be greeted with is a little starter manual. It's going to kind of walk you through some of the features. As you guys can see here, how to set up your little portable soldering iron. Really nice. All right, you also receive this little stand. So this little metal stand here just kind of pops out. You just push the back of it out like that. And then you can kind of raise this into place. And this is going to allow you to be able to set the soldering iron down when it's not in use, but yet still on, okay? It also comes with an adapter for USB-C. So you guys see that? And it comes with a variety of different tips. Let's take a look at those, make sure they're all the same, looks like. Let's check. No, there are some differences. So I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that, but like one here is more like a blade, and this one here is more like a pick. And let's see which one we have here. So we have two of the picks and two of the blades. All right, so let's pull the soldering iron itself out. All right, so first thing we're going to be greeted with is the actual iron itself. It does have a protector here that just pops off. And you guys can see now this one has a totally different type of bit as well. This one has a very pointed bit on it, you know, for soldering very precise things. Now to remove these bits, you just pull them out like so. And then you can switch out to another bit just like that by just pressing it in. It has this nice little rubberized portion here for, you know, finger control, so you don't have to worry about, you know, burning up your fingers. You have your USB-C here on the back for charging this guy up. You have your control buttons right here. You have your menu button, and you have your temperature controls right here, and you also have a little LCD here. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. Okay, so I noticed that the battery was not charged on this, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some power to it. So I'm just going to plug in the USB cable. As you guys see, we get a welcome here. It's going to start to charge. Now, it may take a few minutes to an hour or so or longer for this to charge. To turn on the menu, you're just going to press this little button right here. Now, that turned it off and on. You're going to switch from this button. And you also get a readout of what the temperature is that is set to. Now, the temperatures on this can range. You have complete control over the temperature, guys. You have a range between 356 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit on this guy. And to adjust the temperature, you're just going to press this little button right here, and you can kind of go back and forth, you know, from your temperatures. Also, you can also press the menu button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if we're going to switch that to Fahrenheit now, and then we're going to go to our next menu is your offset. And then the final menu is your sleep time, whatever time you want to set this to fall asleep. You can increase that or decrease it. All right, so by switching it over to Fahrenheit, you guys can see it's starting to advance. So right now this is set at 672 Fahrenheit. We can bring that down to a lower number, or we can, you know, increase it to a much higher number. So it's all based on what you are going to be working with, you know, in order to utilize this guy. So really nice design, guys. When it comes to working with, you know, small pieces of metal, if you are soldering some circuitry or something like that, you know, this guy is going to get really, really hot, and it's definitely going to give you the ability to melt that metal and solder those two metals together. So as you guys can see, this is a very efficient little soldering iron. So if you guys are looking for a kind of a project soldering iron, guys, with a bunch of accessories that come with it, definitely check this guy out. I think this might be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.